Hi students, once you've clicked on the link, hopefully your computer looks like this, where you've opened up the skill scan exercise in the Word document. Your task for this exercise is to go through each skill, and there's 3 pages of skills that are listed out. Here's page 1, page 2, and page 3. Now you can leave it open on your desktop, or if you want to print it out and do it by hand, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Each skill is listed out in all capitalized letters. So you'll see here the first one here on the left-hand side is advocate. Underneath the skill is a quick definition of what that skill means, or the definition of that skill. Your task is to go through each and every one of these skills, and using this rating scale above, you are going to indicate whether that's a skill that you love to use, you like to use it a lot, you like to use it sometimes, you don't have this skill, or you're not interested in using this skill. So for example, in my role as a counselor, I have the ability to advocate for students. So if I think about my skill of being able to advocate for students, I really like to use that skill a lot. So that's LA. So next to advocate, I'm going to put LA. The next skill is train and/or instruct. Again, that means to teach or explain knowledge using appropriate methods and technologies. Well, one of the things that drew me to my role as a counselor, again, here at the community college system, is that I also got to be an instructor. So I get to teach classes as well as counsel students one-on-one. So I love to teach. So I'm going to put L because I love teaching as well as counseling students one-on-one. So as you can see, you're going to go along each one of these skills, and you're going to use this rating scale up above, and you're going to think about, do I love to use the skill? Do I like to use it a lot? Sometimes I don't have this skill, or I'm not interested in using this skill. And kind of think loosely about these skills. Don't think so hard on terms of, do I need to use this in a career? Sometimes some of us are really good at using these skills even in our personal lives. For example, resolving conflict. Maybe you haven't had a chance to use that in a work setting, but maybe within your circle of friends or your family, you really like to resolve conflict. That's something that you're good at, that comes with ease. So again, you might think about these skills in a broader sense if it's something that you use or you have ease in using, even within your social circle, your friends setting, or your family setting. It's a skill that you kind of have amongst your group of individuals. So again, think loosely or broader about these skills. Skills are something that come a little bit more at ease for us, so they're not something that we have to really try hard to do. And think again more loosely in terms of maybe you don't think you're that great at this skill, but maybe over time, especially in a career, you're going to get even better at these skills. So at the end of going through the 3 pages and indicating your rating, so you've gone through all the skills and you've put your little ratings of L, LA, LS, and so forth, you're going to then total the number of L and LAs. So on page 1, you'll see on the left-hand column, group 1. And you're going to look at it in terms of a column. So you're going to look at everything here on the left-hand side for page 1. And you're going to count up the number of L's and LAs that you may have indicated, and you're going to put that number here. So maybe that's 5. You're going to move over to group 2. And again, you're going to do the same on page 1. And you're going to count up the number of L and LAs. And you're going to put again a number. Maybe you only have number 2 this time. So you're going to go through each column. Page 2 has a different grouping. Group 3 and group 4. And page 3 has group 5 and group 6. So then down here at the bottom, you're going to have your total number of L and LAs for group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again, keep in mind your skills and how you like to use these, and make sure you total your numbers at the end so that each group has a number for the number of L and LAs that you've indicated. Again, please let me know if you have any questions in completing this exercise.